Okay, I'm hoping this is going to work now. I put a second pulley up on the load. And then I brought it back to the tractor, and I've got it anchored on the tree with something to protect the trunk. And then I've got a pulley down on the trailer hitch, so I'm going tree to pulley to pulley to pulley, and then to the caps. So I'm going to prop the phone up and see if this mechanical advantage now won't roll that sucker over. It's easy, seems easy when you watch it on YouTube, but to actually get out and do it is a little bit different story. Probably the hardest thing of all is to balance the iPhone without a tripod. But this too will pass. Okay. Getting a little too much of the sky. Let's tip it down just a little bit more. Okay, let's give it a shot. Okay, engaging the cap stand. Okay, here we go. Oh man, look at that mechanical work. Roll, come on baby, roll. Well, that was a fantastic idea, but it didn't work. Something's keeping that log from rolling. I'm going to go look into that.